So you found the Outer Banks house. You love it. Great location. Maybe a pool. Maybe close to the beach. And then you see the rental number and you think, wait a minute, could we actually buy this, use it ourselves, rent it when we're not here, and have a rental income help with the cost? Okay, now we're having a conversation. Because before we get excited about the big rental number, I want to know one thing. What exactly are we looking at? Is it actual rental history or is it a rental projection? Those two things are very different. Rental history tells us what the property actually generated during a particular period. And projection estimates what it may generate based on certain assumptions. Both can be useful. Neither is a guarantee of future performance. So, I'm not just looking at that number. I want to know the story behind the number. And then we have to ask, what does it actually cost to own this house? Taxes, insurance, utilities, management expenses, depending on the arrangement, maintenance, association expenses, if applicable. And remember, we're still buying a house. So roofs age, HVAC systems age, pools need attention, things break. So a big gross rental number doesn't tell me whether this is the right property for you. And here's the part I really want you to hear, especially if you're sitting somewhere outside the Outer Banks doing all of this research online. You can have the listing, the rental history, the projection, the tax information, and the management information all sitting right in front of you, and still not know the questions you haven't asked yet. That's where experience matters. Because eventually you have to stop researching Outer Banks real estate in general and start evaluating this house. And then I want to know something about you. What do you want this house, this property, to do? Are you focused primarily on rental performance? Do you want to use it several times a week, a year? Or are you trying to find that balance between enjoying your Outer Banks home and generating rental income when you're not here? Because two buyers can look at the exact same house and make two completely different decisions. And both could be right. Their goals are different. That's why somebody asked me, Christy, is this a good investment? I usually want to change the question. Does this property fit what you're trying to accomplish? Now, we've got something we can actually work with. I'm your real estate broker, not your financial advisor, accountant, or attorney. My role is to help you evaluate the real estate, navigate the transaction, identify the questions we need answered, and bring in the appropriate professionals when we need them. So here's my takeaway for you today. Don't buy the rental number. Understand the property behind it. And if you're watching this with an Outer Banks property already saved on your phone, send it to me. Seriously, send me the house. Tell me what caught your attention and what you're hoping it can do for you. That's where we'll start. I'm Christy Bryant with Keller Williams Outer Banks, and thanks for having coffee with me. Now, send me that house. Let's take a look and have a chat.